mga ka-wonders, so nandito ako sa may 1K station, exit D. And papunta tayo sa may Litong. Ayan, from Wanchay Station, exit D. Nandito tayo sa may Litong Avenue. And ongoing pa rin yung pagkabit ng decor for Mid-Autumn. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa may right natin pupunta. Tumbukin natin yung sa may side ng Hopewell. Doon tayo lalakad papunta sa pupuntahan natin. So, ito yung decor for Mid-Autumn dito sa may Litong. So, ayan yung Hopewell Center. Sa may side niya, dadaan tayo. Paakyat. So, dito tayo dadaan sa may side, sa may stairs. Ayan, yung aakyatin natin. Puro stairs. Kaya ba natin? Ang bigat pa man din ng bag ko. Ayan. Akyatin natin to. Akyatin natin din to hanggang dun. So, pagkatapos po natin akyatin to, dito po tayo. Ayan. Ayan. Tawid tayo. Tawid tayo dito. Tawid tayo. Ang daming sasakyan. Madi Bababa ata napartakda. Tawid. Tawid. Tapos dito tayo daan. Left. Ayan, pababa. So, yan. Pag narating nyo na tong area na to, akyat po tayo dito. And, may signage po dyan, Lovers Rock, kaso hindi makita. Nakalagay dyan, Lovers Rock. So, dito tayo daan. Paakyat. Lakarin lang natin paakyat. Yan, pawisan na. Hingal. Hingal pa more. Grabe yung pawis ko. Ayan. After ng medyo mahaba-habang slope na yan, maaakyat. Ayan. My resting area. And Lover's Rock is on that way. Upo muna ako. At pagod. Ayan kasama ko. Ayan o, yung pawis din na kasama ko. Ayan. Cause ng bagyo. Ayan, bagyong si Ragasa. Napatumba ang mga kahoy. And dito kami dadaan. Papunta ng Lover's Rock. So, ayan. Andito na kami. And papunta kami dito. So, says 10 minutes pa daw na walk. 10 minutes. Ayan, dito kami dadaan. Ang ganda ng flash control. Sila siguro ang palitan niya. Ayan o, may naglalaro sa taas ng bundok. May naglalaro. Diba? Balian Hong Kong. Ganda ng view. Ayan. So, pag nakarating kayo sa area na to, dito tayo akyat. Ayan. Ayan yung Bowen Road. Lovers Stone Garden. So, let's go! Akyatin natin. Kasta talaga. Numuli ka tibantay. Hadda magita makasta. Sige, uli! So, yan. After nyong akyatin yung stairs na yan, ito ang bubungad sa inyo. Yung Lover's Stone na sinasabi dito sa Hong Kong. Yan. sa pagkatito. Basta ako makita mo. Ayan no, may mga nakasulat na. Sulat na nakita. Ito. Ang ganda ng view. Wow. Dapat yan. Ang daming dragonfly.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young one, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there, glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.